من بۆ تاڵێم بالارەیرە و لێوی ئاڵتر لە بەرگی سێو لێوی ئاڵتر لە بەرگی سێو لەسەر تانگۆی ئاواتی دڵ منیش و تۆش بێنێتە کۆڵ منیش و تۆش بێنێتە منی کوڕی گەلی ژێردەست دەنگی کەمتر ئەگاتە کەس دەنگی کەمتر ئەگاتە کەس منی کوڕی گەلێکی دوور لە دونیای نوێی پڕگوڵی سوور لە دونیای نوێی پڕگوڵی سوور من بۆ تاڵێم دەستەی قێشکە بۆم باس کردی گوڵاڵەی ئاو بۆم باس کردی گوڵاڵەی چۆن بە خوێنانی قوربانی گەشەی کرد و شادومان گەشەی کرد و شادێمان ڕووی کردەوە نەخشەی ڕوشن لە خۆی داتا لە ڕەنگاوڕەنگ لە خۆی داتا جانكم بخوال دوری تو همیشه
Let's have another round of applause for the Oriental Music Club. I think they did a great job. Thank you so much for participating in this event. As I said at the beginning, a lot of this was for the children. All the kids from Arbat made it here. It'd be nice if we could give them a round of applause, recognize their participation in the event. No problem. So I'm sure I'll screw this up, but أهلا وسهلا لكل الأطفال من مخيم أربات وكلنا مبسوطين عشان أنتم موجودين معنا. Hopefully that wasn't too bad. Hopefully they actually understood some of that too. But anyway, a lot of this, this project's been going on for a few months now. Back in October when we had this idea, I thought it was a little bit crazy, but glad everyone was able to pull together and make this happen. So want to thank Jerry, want to thank Charlie, want to thank everyone at AUIS, everyone at the UN Arbat camp, the NGOs there. Wouldn't have been able to do it without everyone's help. And we wouldn't have been able to do it without you. So please, if you're able to make a donation, if you're enjoying your time here, please make a donation so that you can help out the kids at the camp. All right, so I think we're almost ready here. So just a brief introduction. Mr. Jerry Joseph is a prolific songwriter. He's recorded over 30 albums, and I think a lot of you are gonna like what you hear tonight, so I recommend you check him out on iTunes after you're done. You won't be disappointed. He tours constantly. Just within the past month, he's been in Ghana, he's been in Hawaii, now he's been here, and he's off to Switzerland, Turkey, London, basically playing all over the world. So I want to thank him for being here. And it's really just an honor to introduce one of my favorite musicians, Mr. Jerry Joseph.
Well, sweet Sunday morning ride in the cool winter light, and the tapestry kettle breaks over the frozen reflection of night. All right. And a smell of the new year, and the promise it brings, yeah. There's so many blessings of love. Come on, let's think on these things, right? Whatever is honest, whatever is true, whoever loves me, whoever loves you, and the wonder they bring. Come, let us think on these things, right? Sisters and brothers, yeah, let's sing it again, right? You pull back the darkness and covers, revealing the joy in our sin, yeah. Wherever is righteous, wherever there's praise, well, these are the moments of your better days and the wonder they bring. Come, let us think on these things, yeah. I know we wandered alone and cold in the woods, and now the kettle is singing, the message is good, right? I know we stumble, I know sometimes we lose faith, yeah. These are the days of rejoicing, the beauty and grace. Well, can I get an amen? And some days I wake early with fear in my soul, yeah. Regrets of the past rage in my heart, start taking control, right? And then I look at my children and all that is pure, right? And I know in the deepest depths of my bones that love is the cure, yeah. All right. Whatever is righteous, whatever is just, whatever new life will rise from the dust, and the wonder it brings. Come, let us think on these things. Whatever is honest, whatever is true, whoever loves me, whoever loves you, yeah. And the wonder they bring. Come, let us think on these things. Hey, hey. Thanks for coming. There's about 500 things I could say. First off, can we get a massive round of applause for the Oriental Music Club? They were amazing. I've seen some pretty cool things over the years in my life. As you know, we've been working with these awesome people over here at the Arbat refugee camp. And it was very important to us that they came to the show, and weirdly, there was a lot of paperwork and it's hard to put stuff together. And so Oliver Keels, here from the school, he drove the hell out there and he got these guys and he brought them back. It's one of the most righteous things I've ever seen. And I want to thank him very much for doing that. Thank you. Oliver and Jeffrey, your excellent MC Consul, I think is what they call him around the school, had this idea for me to come here, and that was like last October, and it finally happened, and they said, we'll do a concert, there'll be a couple people, and now I'm so nervous, I can barely stand it. So, instead of being super nervous, I'm gonna bring this badass drummer up here. Hakar Azad. The poster says rock show. I'm a little old, fat, bald man. I don't know how rock I am. But we'll give it a shot. I sent her out for coffee, maybe some eggs and bread. She said, I will always love you, baby, right? Yeah, that's bad. Oh, she said, she jumped. And I never talk about her, no. You said it. I don't care, but my voice, it's getting louder and louder, and I'm getting out of here. Well, don't ask me why I'm leaving. I just can't say for sure, but I jumped. I woke at 6 this morning for ginger ale and rum, yeah. A blue off, hey, my doctor's wanting him to get it. He lost his sense of fun. Well, my house, yeah, it's big and spacious, baby. I got a lot of room to move. The gods, they've been most gracious to me now. They're taking me home soon. Well, don't ask me why I'm leaving. I just can't say for sure. I'm standing on the edge of this. I see the rocks, pretty girls below, and I hear the angels, they call my name again. I believe. Come on, show! How to jump with grace, with God, and my dignity, baby. Haven't seen you quite a while. Yeah, I was back in the whole charge, just killing time. You know, the last time we met was a dim lit room. We were close together like a bride and groom. Well, we ate the food and we drank the wine. Everyone having a good time except you, baby. You kept talking about the end of the world. Last night I dreamt that I was drowning in my sorrows, but my sorrows had learned to swim. Surrounding me, going down on me and spilling out over the brim. Where's the regret? Where's the joy? I reached for the one I thought I destroyed. It was you. You can make it like it's the end of the world. Well, I got a lot of stories, baby, and I got got a 45, and folks around here say I'm old and fat and bald and boring. Yeah, we're keeping it alive. At night, the jungle starts to scare me. It ain't the spiders, baby. It ain't the snakes I know. I hear the voices Debbie once on my camel. We're gonna break, but don't ask me why I'm leaving. I just can't say for sure. I'm standing on the edge of this, and I see the Hudson and the West Side Highway below, and I hear the angels, they call my name again. Yeah, I believe I'm standing on the precipice, and I know it's gonna hurt and lie. I guess it all comes down to this, and I'm gonna give it all I got. I was young with grace, with God, with you. Hakarazan. So, this is a song from a couple of records back. It's called Radio Cab. And it's kind of about not wanting to say goodbye. I was trying to figure out what to do when I do concerts like this, if I should try to explain the songs or if to have for you guys that just sounds like So I'm gonna play the songs and just let the emotion speak for itself. I came here with my good friend Charlie Freeman, somewhere in the back, or maybe he split. It's always funny to watch Charlie on the sad songs because he cries and cries. Well, I can see them marching to the sea. Rock of Ages, zero history. And they will lay their roses on the trail. They will drag their Jonas from the whale. They will lay our hearts with healing hands. He will kneel before the Queen of Man. She will come and bear the golden child. He will light my darkness with his smile. They will offer fire and silver bowl. He will breathe the Spirit in their souls. They will offer up the devil's joy. He will sing hosannas with one voice. Radio camp pulling away. I don't want you to go. I want you to stay. My radio can. I see you curled up on the floor, wishing it was what it was before. But I have made a promise on a book. Wrapped up in your blankets while I should. Reaper, lover, warrior, hero, friend. Swear you'll stand beside me till the end. Pulling away. I don't want you to go. I want you to stay. Radio care. Permanent way. Yeah. Taking you home. Keeping you safe. On my radio. Tell your tales of blood and sex and steel. Barefoot on the coast to make it real. You place your fingers right into my wounds. Learn my name and howl it at the moon. I swear I'm gonna love you until I die. Swear you're gonna love me till I die. I know radio can falling away. I want you to go. I want you to stay. My radio can, radio wave, taking your home, keeping you safe. My radio. Thank you so much. How's it going? It's going crazy. Nice Thrasher shirt, dude. I'm gonna do one. Can I get this up a little bit? I play this song in a lot of places, Muslim places, Malaysia, Lebanon, Afghanistan, Jordan. And this is called That Which Is Coming. Just taken from the Word of God. That which is coming is coming. That which is coming is coming. That which is coming, can't be denied. Those on the right, those on the right, those on the right. Well, blessed are those on the right. And that which is coming is coming. That which is coming is coming. That which is coming, can't be denied. Those on the left, those on the left, those on the left. Well, 10 shall be those on the left. Hey! And that which is coming is coming. That which is coming is coming. That which is coming. It can't be denied, no. And there shall be no idle tongue. There shall be no sinful speech. There shall be nothing but blessings and peace upon peace. Peace upon peace. Haka, yeah. Yeah, those to the fore. Well, those to the fore. Those to the fore. Foremost shall be those. And that which is coming is coming. That which is coming. That which is coming, can't be denied, no. Those on the right, those on the right, those on the right. Well, blessed are those on the right. Thank you. How am I doing for time? I have no idea. How you guys doing? It's like exam time, right? Aren't you supposed to be studying? That's what your professor said. So, all my friends that just came here from Arbat, we had 3 days to try to learn how to play guitar. And every single one of them showed up with their guitar and paid attention. And for me personally, it was one of the most amazing things that ever happened to me. So thank you. And then yesterday, one of the girls came up and said, "Can you play Hearts Gone Blind?" Which is this song from this old record of mine, and I'm not sure how she knew. But I'm going to play it for her now. This is called Hearts Gone Blind. All your plastic bullets finally right on target. Now may I commend your accuracy. Made another great escape. Slipped out into space. I guess the bow was a little too late for me. Yeah. You wed your virgin daughter, had a scotch and water. It's the only medicine for me. I know you're a stranger. Grant me one last favor and cut these rubber bands and let me play. But hard to notice when you're high all the time. You gotta look up. Look out into the sky, 'cause if you can't see the warning sign, heart's gone blind, yeah. It's hard to keep from slipping when you're climbing icy ladders, and it's a long, hard fall to a cold, cold sea. Made another great escape. Blew up out in space, and I think the bow was a little too late for me. Hard to notice you're high all the time. Look out into the sky, 'cause you can't see the warning sign. Heart's gone blind, well, heart's gone blind. Heart's gone blind. Look at yourself. Heart's gone blind. Look at myself. Heart's gone blind. And the lights go out on you, baby. And the lights go out on you, baby. I know, I know, I know it'll come around again. Your heart to keep on slipping when you're climbing icy ladders, and it's a long, hard fall to a cold, cold sea. Made another great escape, flew about in space. I think the boat was a little too late for me. Hard to notice when you're high all the time. Gotta look up, look out into the sky, 'cause if you can't see the warning sign, heart's gone blind, yeah, heart's gone blind. Heart's gone blind. Look at myself, heart's gone blind. Look at yourself. Yeah, I've been looking in the mirror all night. I've been knowing that I treated you wrong, and I'm saying that I'm sorry again, and I know that I let it go wrong, but I've been telling you I'm sorry again. Yeah, I've been moving up already on the time, baby. I get you rolling on the red of my face. I'm a moving, I'm a laying alright. Hey! And I'm a trying to move it out of my head. Hey! And I'm a tell you what I run a long time. Yeah, I'm a telling on the rhythm, okay. Hey! Yeah, I'm a trying to be the love and light. I'm trying to still stay friends. Give us some love and some light. 'Cause it's time to get down to the heart of the matter. And my knees go weak, and my thoughts seem to scatter, but I'm thinking about forgiveness. Forgiveness, even if you don't love me anymore. Just do a couple more songs. If you guys are good with that. Are you good with that? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Even back in the United States, nobody understands a word I say. New York City, Los Angeles, Chicago, London, no one understands. So a couple of things. Tomorrow night at my friend Shalak's place on, I almost knew the name of the street. I left my phone getting out of the taxi the other day, and in the middle of Suleiman, I lost my phone, and my taxi driver kept it. That would never happen in Atlanta. But tomorrow night at Shalak's, 8 o'clock, I'm doing another show. This is a fundraiser. We realize you're students. It's the worst place to do fundraising. People are like, yeah, sure. But tomorrow there's also another event. We'll be playing in a club. And if you can make it, that'd be great. At Shalak's. You all know where that is? Sure. Everybody knows Shalak. Okay, I'm going to start this song, and you guys might have to go. So, I love you, and thank you. And this is called We Will Go Down. Take some time to save your baby. Some time to save yourself. Some time to save your baby. Some time to save yourself. Take some time to save your baby. Some time to save yourself. Come on. Save yourself, child. We will go down to the river, wash our conscience clean, and we will go down to the river, wash our conscience clean. We will go down to the beautiful river, wash our conscience clean. Ask in the reflection, find out what it means. We will go down. We'll go down to the world, create the world. We'll go down to the valley, kill our only son. We'll go down to the valley, kill our only son. And we'll go down to the greenest valley, kill our only son. We'll beg for his forgiveness. Highway 61, we will go. Go down to the world, create the world. We'll go down to the world, create a beautiful world. We'll go down to my babies, hold her in my arms, and we'll go down to my babies. Hold her in my arms. I will go down to my beautiful baby. Hold her in my arms. Love will make us gods forever and keep us free from harm. And we'll go. We will go down. We will go down. Yeah. We will go down. I think I'm running along the tracks down by the river. Watch the birds of prey, a sanctuary or a temple. The birds are angels, they carry me away. And I feel more comfortable in your skin. I wear your lipstick, baby, you know it's cherry red. You could be an imposter, but I recognize your breath as it swirls around my head. I can hear the church bells ringing. Jackie Wilson said, baby, I'm in heaven when you smile, yeah. Good Sunday, good Sunday, good Sunday. I see summer in your face today. I know, I got you, baby. I'd like to tie you to the bed, paint your Krishna blue underneath the Christmas lights, like a crystal with islands or traffic umbrellas. Yeah, it's all how we capture light. Or head out to the northwest, or head back to Sulaimania wearing nothing but my red coat. You can share your slippers, baby. Tie another string of pearls around my throat. I can hear the church bells ringing. Jackie Wilson said, baby, I'm in heaven when you smile. Good Sunday, good Sunday, good Sunday. I see summer in your face. Good Sunday, good Sunday, good Sunday. God grants us all a little grace. Today, I know, today, I know, today, hey, well, somebody who loves me, I know, hey, somebody who loves me. up, we fall down. We get up, we fall down. And we get up, we fall down. And we get up. Well, a saint is just a sinner who fell down and got back up. You know what I'm saying, baby? Yeah. We fall down and we get up. 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 Well, a saint is just a sinner who fell down and got back up. God grants us all a little grace. God bless you guys. Today. Thank you so very much. Thank you so very much. We're going to do one more song, and it's my extreme pleasure to bring up the Oriental Music Club. If Sear's still here, if he's not up on the mountain somewhere. Nice job. When we come back to our we expect you to have a band together, all right? So thank you very much for coming. This is Shewa on the keyboards. So our friend Zira on the guitar. The other night he took me and Charlie up to the makeout place to the top of the hill. Goja. He's like, we're gonna go up, we're gonna make out at the top of the hill. Look at the lights of the city. And we got up there, we're like, whoa, what the fuck, man? There's no girls up here. He's like, it's cool, there's beer. Anyways, thanks again very much for coming. Thanks to my friend Jeffrey Console in the first place for getting a hold of me. Then Oliver Keels. In the daytime, they may be your dorky professors, but at night they're like radical rock promoters. And they worked very hard to bring us here. And I can't thank you enough. It's been an amazing experience. God bless you. God bless Kurdistan. We Sin City, the city was written in a page of the law, and I kept searching for that great jazz that destroyed the walls of Jericho, yeah. And after all this time to believe in Jesus, after all these drugs, I thought that I was him. After all my lie, my crime, my suffering, I ain't good enough, I ain't clean enough to be him. In the tribal war, burning up the homeland, and the fuel of evil raining from the sky, and the lava flow right through Midtown Manhattan. It's trying to heal the sinner mind. Here comes You go to grave yonder, find that it's been missing. See, you lost your faith in everybody you know. Well, I certainly hoping you don't plan on winning. Stop paying more attention to the ones that throw you clear. You're second stronger in moving way too slow. Gonna scare you like a face to your bed. Baby, we will walk on water like the other junkies did. Look around my room and I find my paint is peeling. My reflective skin is falling on my bones. Well, I must admit, know just how you're feeling. Let's grab each other's collar, rise out of the water. Cause you know as well as I do, it's no fun to die alone. After all that I've been through, you're the only one that matters to me. You never left me here in the dark, you're on my own. I hear your water rising over, baby, let me be your ladder. I promise you'll be dry, never be alone, trying to save you. Luke and Trade Detective was calling out my name. And there were dragons in the sky, and they were calling out my name. And all God's little angels calling out my name. Said, Jesus, can you hear me? Calling out your name. Hey! rise out of the water, 'cause you know as well as I do, it's no fun to die alone. After all that I've been through, you're the only one that matters. Never let me hear the dark here on my own. I hear your water rising over, let me be your land, oh yeah. I promise you'll be dry, never be alone. After all that I've been through, only one that matters. You'll remember here, knocking on my own. I hear your water rising over, let me be your land, oh. I promise you'll be dry, never be alone. Outside it, outside it, God bless you. Good night.